Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 not installing on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on a Windows PC. First, we will reset the Microsoft Store cache. This fixes many download and install problems. Click on the Windows search box and type WSReset. Click the WSReset command once it appears. A black window will open for a few seconds. Do not close it. When the process is done, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. After that, try installing the game again. If the issue is still there, we will repair and reset the Xbox app. Open Settings on your PC, then go to Apps and open Installed Apps. Scroll down and find the Xbox app. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click Repair and wait for it to finish. If that does not help, click Reset and confirm. Restart your PC after this step. Now we will fix gaming services, which is required for Xbox games to install correctly. Open the Windows search box, type PowerShell, right-click on it, and choose Run as administrator. In the PowerShell window, paste this command and press Enter. Get AppEx package Microsoft.Gaming Services. Remove AppEx package. All users wait for the command to finish. After that, open the Xbox app, and it will automatically reinstall the gaming services. After that, try installing Call of Duty Black Ops 7 again. In most cases, the download should start normally. Thanks for watching.